Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix deposit limit on Betfair. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Betfair exchange and let's get into it. Make sure you are logged into it. After that, we need to simply click on this profile icon over here. Now we need to scroll down and click on Safer Gambling Tools option. And inside this we can see edit deposit limit. Since I have already set the deposit limit, we can see this edit option. If you have not added, you'll able to see set your deposit limit over here. Simply tap on that and you can choose daily, weekly or monthly limit. So let's go for weekly and set the amount and click on set deposit limit and click on confirm and you are done. The limit is set. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.